Welcome to Great to Know, brought to you by Great Lakes Credit Union. Today's topic is about creating your financial plan. To take control of your financial life, to get the things you need and want to ensure a comfortable retirement, to get on the road to financial freedom, you need a plan. Before you plan a trip, you have to know where you're going and where you are starting from. A financial plan is the same. It begins with where you are. So, where are you financially? The easiest thing to determine is how much money you have coming in and how much you have going out. If you have more going out than coming in, you have a crisis, and that's the first thing your plan must address. You'll need to make cuts, use credit cards responsibly, and avoid charging more than you can repay, because that will make things worse. Make lists. Make sure you take a list to the grocery store. That's a shopping plan. And don't shop when you are hungry. Set a budget when you shop at the mall. Goals. Your financial plan should set reasonable goals. There are two kinds, short-term and long-term. Short-term goals are those you want to accomplish within a year. Anything that will take a year or more is considered a long-term goal. These are big-ticket items like college, a new car, or buying a home. Your plan will involve saving money. Remember, a smart start is often a small start. Open a savings account and commit to contributing $25 a month. If you can do more, that's great. Compound interest. When you put money into a savings account, it earns interest. And the interest you earn is added to your total. And now that earns interest. Retirement. You are never too young or old to think about it, and saving for retirement should be part of your financial plan. If your employer offers a 401k retirement account, especially if they match any portion of your contribution, you should participate. That's free money for you. If you plan ahead, good times and a comfortable retirement are within reach. You'll need to be patient and persistent. It's always great to know how to plan. Stick to it, and your dreams will follow too.